how to buy MURAD token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert for investing in any project that you found on my channel. Please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC, I guess. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, just go in description and you will find a referral link. Go and create an account and fund it with some USDT and go and buy it. So how to buy this token on MEXC? So go and enter the MEXC, as you can see, and make sure to log into your account. So what you need to do, just copy the name of that token, paste it here in the search. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and now what you need to do, it's easy and simple. Just go on this section. As you can see, you will be able to see here buy. So click on limit. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. So if you click on market, just drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy MURAD token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.